The definition in any design is showing us where there is a fixed life force and flow of energy. And so the characteristics and themes that are connected with that life force are always there on a behavior and energy level. They can be felt even when the individual is doing or saying nothing. Where you have definition, there is fixedness to you. It can be felt by people around you. The beauty of the definition is that it shows us what we can trust and rely on in ourselves. When we use the guidance from human design, we will refer to the definition as a way of knowing how to make decisions. That is because the energy that is there is reliable and consistent. It shows us what our natural gifts and abilities are. It shows us what the natural themes are that we will tend to express and engage with. It shows us what our natural capacity is. It shows us a way that we are naturally limited, because when a life force flow of energy is fixed, it means that it is not flexible. So the definition in our design shows us what we can trust and what does not change. The human design definition is a characteristic of us and flows through us whether we like it or not. Even when we are trying not to be a particular way, that energy is still felt. It is still a part of what we are. It is interesting because we often take our definition for granted. Because these aspects of us are so reliable, we tend to not value them. We will see them as something that is probably natural to everyone. So when we take our definition for granted, you might find that we judge, dismiss, or get confused by the fact that other people don't have a similar type of capacity or consistency in those areas. Although the defined centers are less susceptible to conditioning than the open centers, we can find that they can be influenced by the mind, and the characteristics that are there can become distorted. Even though there is a reliable source there for us, it can be something that gets distorted if we are not in alignment with the way our energy field is designed to operate. When we follow the strategy that goes with each type, with each energy field, that's what helps our fixed definition to express in a way that feels good inside for us. This flow leads us to encounter less resistance in the world around us.